Someone DM'd me, "You're gonna go to hell." I'm confident wearing the hijab. I like it, but I also like dancing. So I like combine the two and like I'm not harming anyone. I'm from Malaysia. I'm currently in South Korea. I am 22.
Today, I am going to be vlogging.
I'm gonna learn how to dance from a very, very special guest inside.
I came to Korea to study. And then like while studying, I just got into like this social media, content creation world. Like if you ask some people, they would say, oh, in Islam, women are not supposed to dance at all. Women are not supposed to sing, blah, 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 blah. But there are also some people that's like, it's the 21st century. I mean, obviously we're not allowed to like, twerk, but still some people believe that, oh, we should not even be putting ourselves out there in social media. We should not be like objectified to men, like when we perform in front of men, blah, 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 blah. For me, I'm like, as long as I think I'm doing the right thing, I'm not harming anyone, then I don't think it should be a problem. There are like people that are like, oh, you are embarrassing Islam. You should not even be wearing the hijab. You should take it off. What's the point of wearing the hijab if you dance as well? Stuff like that. I do get a lot of comments. I didn't reply, obviously, but it was just kind of like, oh, when they think of the hijab, they're like, oh, you have to like cover yourself. You have to like hide. You can't like be proud of yourself. You know what I mean? You can't be confident if you're wearing the hijab. I'm confident like wearing the hijab. I like it, but I also like dancing. So I like combine the two and like, I can't control what people say. All I can control is how I feel about it. So I choose to like ignore whatever like hate comments that I get. I think young hijabis should not be afraid to like be confident with themselves. Basically, it's just like me, I have to like learn to really tell everyone like, oh, this is how I live my life.